Oh, we're in a game called Fun Monkey Horror. Okay, he has a microphone which makes his voice change. But okay, let's get this. Ryker, what do we do?
Yo, bro, I'll show you where the mod menus are. I used to have one, and I told my mom so I can buy it again. It's over here.
Why did they delete it from you?
Because it's over here. Sorry.
Fly. Oh yeah, I remember you used to have that one menu. You was flying all around the place. I remember that. That's when I didn't have a YouTube channel, y'all. Oh, y'all don't know. Let's go now. Come on, bro. I remember when
Can you ask your mom if you can buy the mod menu?
No, I can't because my nan's not home. My mom, I have to use my nan's credit card, and she doesn't have no money on it right now.
Come on, bro. Come on, you big fat monkey.
Hey, who's the big fat monkey? Who's the big fat monkey?
You're actually... Come on. Come here.
Which one do we do? I'm still faster. I'm still faster, bro.
Come on.
The quiet. Oh yeah, I remember this. If you be too loud, and the monster comes for you. Is it if you talk or is it if you run? Oh, Barley!
I'm mute. Wait, go down there. Go down there. Watch me.
Here, let me do that. Stay there right there.
Wait, I can't wait to see the recording for what that looks like.
Ryker, when are we gonna find the monster? Let's go.
Did you just see him?
Yeah! He went down this hallway!
I'm your biggest fan. I'm your biggest fan.
I'm your biggest fan! Wow! I had my headset's on max. Put your headset on max, and if you get jump scared, you're done for. Let's go down this hallway. Yeah, man, no,
one more time.
Wee. What the heck? Get you time off. No, he's coming.
Turn on my clocks on ultra mode.
Bro, where the heck is the monster? I don't see him. If we scream, then when this game was a little bit different, didn't he just come right for us?
No, but turn off your lights. That's extra scary mode.
Oh, bro, this is easy mode. Bro, I can't see though.
Wait. I know you can get X-ray vision.
How?
You know how like you get through a contrast, yeah?
Yeah.
Turn on that.
Does that give you X-ray?
No, give whole correction and give it like turn on that.
How do you put on?
Oh,
wait, how do you?
Never mind. Does it give you X-ray vision? Keep on.
Hey, bro, I'm gonna run down this hallway and you gotta find me.
Hello. Yo, bro. The fan. Yo, bro, what's behind you? Fan is calling. Hold on. The fan is calling.
I
The
can't
fan is
see.
calling.
What?
The fan.
No!
Bro.
No! 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 Get away from me.
The fan is calling. The fan is calling. The fan is calling. The fan is calling.
What do you mean the fan is calling? I think I lost him, y'all. Wait, y'all, I'm gonna run. I'm pretty sure you have a percentage of your battery. Might die. Ryker! How do I come back to spawn? Easy. Find the monster. Monster! 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 I found the monster! I don't even know. I just ran in a whole dark circle. Come out here, boy! I got me.
I dare to go down there.
Me.
Go down there. Go down there now. I can fly.
What the heck? You have platforms.
Where is he?
It's Silly Billy!
Oh, no, that's the wrong one.
It's Silly Billy!
I'll make you.
You say how you.
How your God works in front of me.
He's down there. No! Come here! I'm running through a wall.
Where are you? Bro, let's try and find the monster actually.
Yeah! Monster! This is probably why I get no views, bro.
Why?
Bro, that chicken video, I cannot stop finding it on YouTube Shorts. That chicken video, what I posted, I cannot stop finding it.
You're gone viral, bro.
I know, bro, I've gone viral. That's the only video that's gone viral for me. Like, y'all in comments, tell me what y'all like and I'll do it. Like, tell me games to play. Hello?
Can cameraman be like, Porky McChicken?
Working big chickens.
Working chicken. Okay, let's go back to spawn.
Shimmy, shimmy, wow, wow, wow.
I just want to see that creature come behind you while you're twerking. Kill you.
If we find them, I'm gonna make them chase me. I'm gonna go shimmy, shimmy, wow, 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 wow. Bro, okay, you gotta what? Are you recording?
No.
Well, you need to record so you can get this on camera. So I want to see what it looks like. I want to see what it looks like.
Okay? My teeth, please.
Shimmy, shimmy, wow, 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 shimmy, shimmy, wow, wow.
Bye, bye.
No!
this until we find a
Bro, we're start recording.
I am recording.
Nice, bro. Because I want to get that monster to clip my cheek.
Yeah, we might find a corner or something.
Now, G got juked.
Go!
Get juked.
Transgender pizza. Transgender pizza.
I bet you can't beat me in a race without no mods.
Okay, come on.
Ready, set, no mods. Ready, set, go.
Hold up!
What?
Transgender pizza. Transgender pizza.
I'm too fast, bro. Me beat you. Why are we still going? This one. I get juked. One hand, boy. I'm still faster. I go faster and get juked. I let you get a head start, and I'm still winning, bro. Like, look at this.
How are you winning? Please.
Nah, but I tell you,
You're getting sliced.
no, bro, because I don't know which pattern we're going.
Transgender pizza.
Well, bro, you have your mods on. Shimmy, whoa. Shimmy, whoa. Where is he?
Bye-bye.
Nah, G, you can't leave me.
Turn off your light. Turn off your light.
Shimmy, whoa. I was literally clapping your Jeep. Where'd he go? This is gonna be an hour-long video. Bro, can we go to a different place?
Yeah.
How do we do it? Wait, there's a little mod thing on the... Ryker, what are you doing? Look at this kid. Let's go. I bet I can beat you like racing like that.
There you go. The fan is calling.
The fan is going. Bro, how do we go back to the... Do we gotta leave the game to go to a different mode?
The fan is calling. The fan is calling.
Bro, how are we gonna find the beginning, bro? We gotta find the beginning.
I see light that's in my... This is so long, Holly.
Bro, I know. Such a long line.
Oh, yeah. The fan is calling.
You drooped.
Wow.
What?
The game.
Okay. What's up? Join server Polly. Oi! How the freak do I end it? Bro, you wanna know what I done? I picked P-O-L-L-Y, and you wanna know what P has my... You wanna know what... I picked Polly, right? And you wanna know what done? It picked all these. I need to be my classic, like, cyan color. My classic cyan color. Ryker! The fan is calling you! The fan is calling you. What the? Me too! What the heck? It kicked me out and I had to rejoin. The fan is calling. The fan is calling. Should we go in the maze? Deja vu tower. Crawl space. Should we go in crawl space? You! Bro, why they going? Bro, I went inside this portal that said you and it took me to my... Bro, we're kid friendly! Yeah, they can. Only if we start in the video with call. They can't hear you. Only if we start.
Where are you?
I'm changing my color.
I joined the code.
Yeah, you just made a.
Let go.
Hey, but bro, we're going inside the maze. Wait, should we go in crawl space? I want to go in crawl space. Wait, no, I want to look at all these. I gotta pick one.
Wait,
should we go and run?
Let's go to forest. Let's go to forest.
No, let's go to maze.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
Where'd he go? I'm going up the other stairs. He's under here. Nice.
The fan is calling.
Bro, I get to pick this one this time because you gotta pick crawl space, so I get to pick one. Okay?
No, you
gotta pick the thing. So I want to go in crawl space.
Wait, didn't you say you wanted to go to maze?
I want to go into crawl space now.
Why?
Because I changed my mind. Okay, I guess we can go to maze. But this is your choice.
Okay.
This means I get two choices now, okay?
Okay.
I feel like we're going this way. Why are you echoing?
I don't know.
That's weird.
I think it's like somewhere now that we're in a maze.
Oh yeah, because it's like a hunter maze and it echoes off the walls.
Yeah, echolocation. Wait, how about we do that? Echolocation.
Echolocation.
Oh, bro, you scared me right there.
Hey, bro, go down that hallway. Turn around. Hey, wait. Okay, you ready? Face me. Do you see me? See my name tag? Perfect timing! I know, bro. A freaking blue man came up to you. I think I made him. I think he thought I think I timed it perfect. I guess let's try to find each other. Hello? No, I already know where you are, but no, I do not. I'm lost as heck. The echolocation won't work because we're too far away. I got jump scared. Bro, I'm back at the beginning. Bro, I'm back at the beginning. Ryker. Ryker, I'm back at the beginning. Well, let it kill you. I don't know. I can hear it. I hear it. It's going like. I don't know how to. I don't know how to. It's going. There's next spots. Bro, should we leave? Bro, there are next spots. Once you respawn, I did click back. I clicked back and I'm just at the beginning. I joined the code Polly again. I'm up here and I get to pick 2 choices now, okay? I'm picking I'm upstairs where the game modes are. I'm in code Polly. Are you white? Or bro, are you white? Are you white in the game? That means you left the server. So you have to join the server again. When you turn back as your regular character, that means you're absolutely in the server. Come on. Get you! Tell Bowser! Come on, bro, come up here. Wait, did he go to y'all? No! It's like a... Bro, I'm right behind you, bro. I'm about to go in crawl space. La. What is this? Oh, this is crawl space? Oh, this is Vance, bro. Why don't we have a flashlight? Oh, wait. How did I get that flashlight in my hand? It's like a flashlight or something in my... I don't know. Wait, is it musing? Is it musing? It's musing! It's musing! You mute. Wait, it's the happy meal! You already know my head! Hey, make them follow you and I'm gonna go down the hallway. Make them follow you and I'm gonna go down the hallway. Make them follow you. Go on one side. Go on one side. Hey, no, go on one side. Hey, Ryker, come back here. Ryker, stay in one spot. Stay in one spot and I'm gonna get inside there. Is that actually Ryker in? I know, bro. Bro, I don't know how to get a lot. Yeah, bro. Please. Ah, it's the graveyard rock. Oh, bro, the Happy Meal. No, no. It's mewing God. Mewing God for 5 cents of skibbity.
What the Sigma?
It's what the Sigma?
What the Sigma? What the
Skibbity toilet. Skibbity. Skibbity da. Skibbity. I'm following Skibbity God. I'm following.
Sigma?
What the Sigma?
What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
What the Sigma?
Bro, it's the Skibbity mewing up. What the Sigma?
I've been married a long time ago.
That ain't Ryan's right here.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
What the Sigma?
What the Sigma?
Juke them! Make them follow you! Go on one side and I'm gonna juke them, okay? Go on one side. Let them go!
I've been married a long time ago.
Shimmer. Don't go down that hole. We should book it. You ready? Here, you ready? No, ready? There's shit. Hey, you wanna go to? Hey, I don't like this level. Go back. I don't like this level. I'm gonna pick another one. Enter code Polly. But enter code Polly once you can. I want to see what we got. Should we do run? You're not even in the code. Now you are. Bogey. Pokey. Come on, let's go run for your life. Let's go to level run for your life. It's not that way, it's this way. Do you need your mod menu? I'm coming with you. I want to see how much Bobucks I got.
Sigma signal on the wall. Who's gonna skip it? Stuff them off. It's me. I'm so Sigma. I'm going to mop.
Hey, bro, where does it show your money?
It is true.
Where does it show your money?
Miners. Wait, he is the miner.
What? Where's the money?
Up here.
What? I have 500.
Rough waste, comments and disgrace. In the shadows of millions, they tighten romance. So that's the one, and this one is just the second one. Dude, over here.
I'm looking still.
Bob. You know, we have to put you down. Praise comments and
I'm turning into Michael Jackson.
No, you're in the room miners.
I'm turning into Michael Jackson. She got that. Bro, you're going the wrong direction. Bro, please don't go before me. Please. Ready, set, let's go. Ryker, this way. She got that. Why can't we go there? I guess we have to go through here. What is this? Why don't we have a flashlight?
Over here. We do. A.
A?
Oh, it's just that. Yeah.
No, we don't.
Yep.
Nuh-uh, I don't got a flashlight. I'm pressing A. I'm pressing it. Do you got a flashlight?
Yeah.
I don't.
We just done a flipping full circle.
I don't know where to go, bro. I don't have a flashlight. I'm Wallace, bro. Help me, Ryker. Ryker, can I pick another one? Ryker, I don't even know where to go. Can you please help me? Okay. That one. They all suck ball. Did you just say that, what I think you just said? Oh, I thought you said the B word. Yeah, that's what I thought you said. For some reason, my flashlight was not working. I'm keeping it on. I'm not turning it off. And horror won't let me put it on.
I'm not turning on mine.
I'm turning on mine because if I don't turn it on, which one shall we go to? Deja Vu Tower?
You mean Death Tower?
Oh, Death Tower? What's that spell? What's that spell?
Corner.
What? Corner?
Yeah, I think it's full of corn. Since you're a farmer, you should go into it. You might have experience with it.
Let's go to Death Tower. You ready?
Oh, yeah, I remember this one.
What do we do?
Oh, boy, boys. Whoa.
What?
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Bro, something popped up on my daily post. It was a flipping a YouTuber called Gullible.
Do you even subscribe to him?
No.
You must have been one of your favorite YouTubers. Changed their name, probably.
No. It's a person who he posted a video. Well, not a video, like a post.
Yeah, a post. Just call it a post. Yeah, it's just a post. Yeah, it's just a post.
Bro, it's called latest YouTube post, and it says, "Am I dreaming now?" And it's a flipping anime woman with half of a, I don't know.
Ryker, I don't know where you are.
Go back spawn.
I'm on a building what's 50 feet up in the air. Me not capping. Me on a building.
In the shadows of millions, they
Ryker, I hear a sound.
What is it? Like,
I don't know, I'm on top of a building which has a little bridge and I hear sound.
what does it sound like?
Ryker, right here.
What does it sound like?
Come over here and you'll see it. It's like.
Oh yeah, that's Tilly Tom. He's stuck right now.
Who is he?
Tilly Tom.
Who's Tilly Tom?
Tilly Tom is right below us right now. He doesn't like visitors. By the way, Tilly Tom is my son.
Where is he?
So how Tilly Tom was born was I found him in a dumpster randomly.
Dumpster.
So I got him out. He was only just a kid, alright? I saw his mom was nowhere, so brought him home with me and
How are you doing that? How are you walking up the wall? Oh, you was bouncing off the barrier. Ryker! Ryker did not tell me Tilly Tom was gonna be. Why did you tell me he was not gonna jump scare me? He freaking as a skeleton? That's your freaking kid? A freaking skeleton? That is not a child, bro. That's a death child, bro. You're gonna have him and you're gonna die, bro. I'm not capping, bro. That thing's deadly. I would abandon it if it even jump scared me once. I would scold it. And I am in just a few seconds. Whenever I found that building again.
yo, bro, down here.
Bro, where?
Wait, where did you find him?
Bro, he was in the middle of the thing.
Bring me to him. I haven't seen him in a year.
Bro, he freaking jump scared me. He's small as my sack. Come on. Wait, show me the path again. Show me the path. And I know where else he goes.
The path?
Yeah, like how do you get back to the stairs? Oh, they're right down here.
And the shadows a million they tighten up.
Your child is small, has literally balls.
Over here.
Over here, mate. Over here.
So where my child is.
Go in the middle.
Where? I need to see him.
Your child just jump scared me.
Yeah, he doesn't. I told you he he doesn't like visitors.
Or that he doesn't like you.
Yeah, he's just he jump scared. There's two different ones. The jump scare that you just encountered means that he's scared and so he's defending himself.
No, he isn't. You got the same jump scare. Bro, he's not your child.
I found him in Finders Keepers. It's the Finders Keepers.
Finders keepers, loser. Finders keepers, dumpster keepers. Finders leapers, dumpster keepers. Oh, wait.
Alright, whenever I find in the dumpster in his mind.
Shit went dumpster diving. Shit, where'd your son go? I can't see your son, but I can get jump scared by him. Why is your son so freaking small? I can't even see him. How would you even see him when you was going dumpster diving? I swear, bro's got a 1 centimeter never. 1 centimeter, like 1,000 feet long centimeter. Bro, never. Bro can see everything. I think my head's blocking it, probably. Oh, God.
Can we go to corner?
What'd you say?
Do we go back to corner because you're a corn farmer
Yeah, I'm gonna go to corn farmer.
and mine some corn?
I'm gonna press it before you. I pressed it before you. Bro.
Damn, Jax!
Bro, this got the Sigma! Bro, got the Sigma 80!
Okay, can we go to corner? And see it has the word in your
Sorry,
corner.
Brentley. I just declined Brentley's call because I'm making a YouTube video. I don't like doing it. Okay, I'm calling Brentley. Bye.